It's a quick tutorial just to show you how easy it is to do a bit of watercolouring using the blender pen. Use any watercolouring pencils you have and just add your chosen colour. Pick a shade of green, whatever you want to use yourself, depending on what you're colouring in, of course. And simply add a bit where you think it's going to be the darkest, and using your blender pen, go over and spread the colour out. The blender pen is just amazing. It just dilutes it nearly where you want it diluted and gives you a nice wee bit of shading. And you just decide where the darkest pieces are going to be on your leaves. Add the colour there and leave the rest of it empty. And let the blender pen do its work. So quick, so easy. No layering up different shades of pencils. And you just get that lovely bit of shading. And the same when you go to do the flower bit. I reckon the dark would be down here at the bottom. And because it's a round shape, put a wee bit up at the top. And again, just use, if you keep a wee scrap of wisp of white and you can clean, you see the wee bit of green coming off your pen, it just instantly cleans as you work your way through it. So when you start a new colour, you're not going to destroy it with the old colour. So simple and so relaxing. Lovely to do. You want to give it a wee go yourself. In that Lots of Happy kit, you get 4 pencils with it, so that'll start you off. But get yourself a packet of those blender pens. You get a set of 3 and they're just brilliant. You will use them. You'll enjoy using them. So just add your colour. Sorry, I'm zoomed away in here and make go out of picture. Just add your colour again and go over it with the blender pen. And just enjoy adding your own shade and do whatever you want yourself. And you will have great fun. Just remember to clean your pen off when you've finished on a scrap of card. So I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe you'll get yourself some coloured pencils and have a wee go. Just invest in those. They're not that dear, and 3 of them, you'll get 3 and they'll last for ages. Hope that helps.